Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're taking you through our trip to New York, Manhattan. We're going to show you multiple things that drive through Midtown Manhattan. Take a look at a billion-dollar road building that is flawed, and I will show you where the flaws are. And then I'm going to show you a good time at the Delta Club in New York, LaGuardia. It is a lot of fun. It is a short video, but you will see. And we'll see you in a little bit. Now, let's go. Alright guys, so I'm in New York. So New York, they have the outdoor eating stuff. So there it is. It's actually taking out parking spots, and they're building these containment units that's kind of open. And you could actually eat out here. And a lot of these have heating lamps in here. And this is what the outdoor eating looks like in New York. So this is a little bit of New York for you. Alright guys, you see over there? We have a bunch of places to live, and all of a sudden you see empty right there. That building was not designed very well in order to, so that they have no structural issues. They actually have to keep it empty. And now we're in Manhattan. This is Manhattan for you. This is another freaking pencil neck building. So we're going out 2nd Street, and let's see how. Check that out. All the way down. Hey guys, this is a short video. This is actually the Delta Club in LaGuardia Concourse C. This is actually one of the smallest ones in the Delta system. The ones in Atlanta are really, really big. And I've taken you to the club in the American Express network as well. I'm going to show you around. This is actually the bar. And that's the food area. Today we are having fried rice and stir-fried chicken, various soups, salads. We also have a refrigerator with yogurts and such. There's a snack area. You can see you got chips, cookies, and over here, this is your drink station. Coffee and teas, this is a big bunch. So that's really it. This is actually a very small one in the system. Welcome back, my friends, and we hope you enjoyed the show. Please make sure you are subscribed to our channel so you will not miss another fantastic video from our channel. Please also leave a comment or share this video with your social media friends, as it will help our channel. With that said, we would like to thank you, and we hope that you will have a fantastic and a magical day.